When does fentanyl withdrawal start? With the very first episode of using, it is such a potent, short-acting medication that even within 15 minutes there's a very slight, subtle withdrawal, and this is what is known as craving. The person wants to take another dose to start feeling good again, so it can happen within 15 minutes. But the common thing about withdrawal, the common perspective on that is what's also known as dope sickness. And that sort of withdrawal comes in after prolonged use. So instead of 15 minutes, we're talking about after a few days of use. And if a person abruptly stops taking the fentanyl, they'll start feeling cravings within 15 minutes, but within about 24 hours they develop a withdrawal syndrome, otherwise known as dope sickness. And this is when the nasty things kick in. Things like agitation, fear of death, irritability, depression, nothing feels good, the skin feels terrible, touching anything feels horrible, and then there's the physical stuff: sweats, nausea, indigestion, heartburn, diarrhea, very, very uncomfortable things. So withdrawal can start within minutes of the first use, but most typically it kicks in about 24 hours after fairly heavy use.